Hello, my name is Beth Dixon, and this is Lesson 1, homework question number 21. What amount of sales will produce a commission of $236 if the commission rate is 5%? So first, let's talk about what a commission is. A commission is an amount of money that a salesman earns when they make sales, and it is a percentage of the sales. So, for example, my son worked when he was in college, he worked at a fireworks place. And if he sold certain items, he would get a percentage of those sales. So if he sold the big boxed items, he would get a percentage of those on his paycheck. That's a commission. Car salesmen earn commission. And so certain salesmen earn a commission. So how do you figure a commission? Well, it's the percentage, whatever that commission rate is, it's a rate times their sales. Okay, and that equals their commission. Now we're just going to do this one as an equation. If you want to learn how to do it proportion, come and see me. I'm not going to do this one as a proportion. So what are we going to say? So what percent of the total equals the part? Well, in this case, the part is his commission, is the money he gets and receives as in addition to his salary or as his salary. So that is his part. That is his commission. The total is the amount of sales. Of means the times, and then the percentage is that percentage rate, his commission rate. That's his percent, and that's 5%. The problem with this one, and this is the first one if you're doing these in order, whoops, be careful on how you do that. Remember, it moves the decimal 2 places, so that will add a 0 there. I got in a hurry and wrote that leading 0 and left out another 0. So that gives us 0.05%, 0.05 as a decimal instead of the percent, I mean. And so that of the sales. And what we have is his commission will produce a commission of 236. Now remember, I said of always goes on the bottom, but this is a commission of, and it's the amount of the total is the sales. So the sales is here, the commission is that 236. And when we look at this, notice that these numbers are on opposite sides of the equation. Because they're on opposite sides of the equation, we will divide. In the previous problems, in order of listening to these, you multiplied. Because these are on opposite sides, we'll divide. How do we know the order that we put the division in? Well, if we look at this, we want the sales by itself. So what we divide by is that 0.05. What we do to one side of the equation, we do to the other side. And that lets this disappear and gives us the sales, which would be 236 divided by 0.05. And I just put that in the calculator. And that gives me 47.20. And does that make sense? Well, he has to sell $4,720 to earn 236 if his commission rate is 5%. And so that is the answer, and that concludes question number 21.